For so many people, the automation of crypto trading might be considered a difficult task. Outside there are so many exchange, there are bots, there are solutions. But what if we have one place where we can customize any trading logic, any trading scenario, and you can create your trading bot without any line of code? Hi everyone, today I will show you a demo about how you can create your own trading bot, but just few steps. Show you a simple trading bot, which is based on a Telegram bot and a KuCoin bot. And I will use for this demonstration our MIND token, Morpheus Infrastructure Node token. Here we have a Web3 Workflow Studio. It's a platform designed to automate workflows and create any automation logic and integration between Web2 and Web3. So let's go to the Web3 workflow landing page and create new project and give a name to our workflow. Say the project trading automation and name the workflow trading bot. First, we have to tag the Telegram bot and configure the Telegram bot with the API key generated by Podfather. Then we have to add the credential method, the API key generated by Podfather. Then we have to add the second node Telegram bot, where we can choose a name for the bot and the type of operations, which is type of command. You can watch a video how to get the channel ID, and we set the command name for buy and sell. Save the name of the bot as Telegram bot buy and sell. And we connect the Telegram bot trigger with the Telegram bot buy and sell. Once you click test of the Telegram bot buy and sell, you can see on the Telegram the command are available buy and sell. Next step, let's add a condition to understand the type of command from the Telegram bot, if it's a buy or if it's a sell command. After this, we can add another Telegram bot step, which is a Telegram bot helper. After setting the condition to understand if it was a buy or sell, we can continue to add with a new Telegram bot step to return to the user a help message in case the command is not as expected. So practically, this node will provide to the user an example how to run the buy and sell command. Let's move forward and drag a Node.js node to process the parameters coming from the Telegram bot. Essentially, we will process the amount and the price specified by the user input. Now we need to add a new condition. Now we add a new condition to get if it was a buy or sell. And depending on the condition, if it's buy or sell, we will use a KuCoin node to process the trading orders. So let's drag one KuCoin node for buy and one KuCoin node for sell. We will name this for buy KuCoin spoiled buy. And we will configure the credential like API key and passphrase. We will specify also a limit order or a order. In this case, it's a limit order. And same for the KuCoin spot sell. We will name it KuCoin spot sell. We choose MID USDT. It will be a sell order. And of course, for the amount and price, we choose the variable generated by the processing request node. The buy or sell condition, and we have two exchange nodes that will process the buy and sell orders. Let's test everything, the one example command, and see the return of the KuCoin node. And finally, for each KuCoin node, we have to add one more Telegram node operation, which will return to the user the trading order result. So of course, we have two different answers to send to the user, depending if it's a buy or sell. So that's why we need to repeat the procedure for buy and sell, adding two Telegram nodes. We set the message format and configure the message output based on the variable. So let's see the final test. Run the water, diesel water with the water ID returned by the KuCoin node admin paste. And let's try a buy order. And we can see the buy order with the water ID has been placed. We can also check the logs for each node participating in the workflow by clicking on the log and see the details of each node, what they have returned. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed to see this video. Actually, it was a simple workflow, but you can imagine how easy it is to create complex scenario of trading and management of your portfolio using Web3 or Pro Studio. You can try yourself and create yourself the next trading board.
Morpheus Labs, enabling Web3 transformation.